let's talk about the ecosystem. As I mentioned earlier, every protocol needs an ecosystem to grow. Who's in this ecosystem? Well, there's the community, you. There are also exchanges, centralized and decentralized exchanges and their communities. There are partners, application services, oracles, decentralized storage providers, wallets, graphs, dev tools, all of these. And then there's developers. But developers are the ones who build the apps that bring users to the protocol. And finally, creators. As I mentioned earlier, a significant amount of blockchain activity on other protocols comes from creators and various NFT projects. So that represents the ecosystem. Those are all the constituents that we want to make sure are growing, we want to make sure are nurtured, and we make sure are highly incentivized, highly incentivized in order to join our ecosystem. So how do we do this? So I am creating here a goal of 250,000 creators on this protocol. What I'd like to do is have us develop baseline deployed smart contracts that are optimized for creators with built-in intellectual property rights, tracking, built-in digital media signing for verifying authenticity. These are two huge problems that exist that are not solved on any other protocol, Ethereum included. We could solve them and we could attract creators to this platform. We also need to create sort of an onboarding program that incentivizes creators to mint and release their works on this protocol. So in the cap table, I've allocated 2.5 million tokens for that purpose. We also want to incentivize companies with gaming SDKs to make them available in this protocol, so game developers and gamers can come on here and use the protocol. So what's our go-to market for creators? Well, we should take those tokens and provide grants to art-related DAOs and organizations. We should incentivize them to come onto our protocol. We also should provide direct grants to creators for special art and gaming projects, with an eye for those projects that have extremely high PR value. So if you have a world-famous artist who is about to embark on a great project that is going to be covered by tons of media, guess what? We want that artist to be on our protocol. We want to incentivize them to be on there because we are going to get all that free publicity, and that is what drives users. We need to partner with museums, with galleries and art institutions to make it very easy to onboard traditional artists. There are more traditional artists than there are NFT artists today. It is a green and fertile territory for us to exploit and to reward these artists and get them on board, have them take their first step. How? Well, we should work with a notable art institution and create a simple curriculum, a free online course that helps onboard creators to the protocol. With the mindset that this protocol is creator-driven, we can come up with a whole slew of innovative ideas that are focused on getting creators onboarded. We can leverage our tokens to incentivize them and then help them understand how rebasing also benefits them because their income can steadily go up. This is how we will create the world's preeminent blockchain for creators.